Okay. Hi, everyone. This is Cory here with the next episode of my devlog. Today I will finish up whatever I started on the score system, more adding effects to it and make it nicer. And I have one more thing what I want to modify on it. I had some issues with the last two stream. My computer was freezing. I'm using a different software, so that's why I have slightly different look. And also it will be maybe slightly different in a way of I'm only streaming on YouTube today. So the other channels people will not see me. Okay, so let me jump in. Just get my Visual Studio going. And then I show you right away what is going on at the moment, what I did add some more to the score system. So if I demo that right away, then you will be able to see I added, using the field feedback system, I add some floating text whenever you get any new kind of score or points or anything. Which doesn't seem to be working. I think I got yes, something is not right, I think. Okay, so I will demo in a moment then. Yeah, it's the all thing looks like demo. I changed something and I did not test just before I started. And I know exactly what I changed. I changed the way how I grabbing the feedback from the start menu. Yes, so I'm getting it gets the first floating text. I know what's wrong. That's not a local variable. And then I don't need to grab a feedback and then convert it to floating text. So that should work now. Yeah, I was working on this this afternoon. So let me try that again. It's live development, so bugs will happen. Okay, I'm still not sure because I still see one error, but that's maybe not related. That's the feedback. Okay, so one of the feedback will work. I think the points will work. And I get the points now. Yes, I got 50 points. Why I got 50 points is possibly yes, I have a 5 times multiplier. Oh. Which I will lose now and down to 1. So that's correct. It carries over from previous attempts. Now I don't have any multipliers, so that should be fine. Yes. Okay, so another problem that I'm facing at the moment, and that's what I want to actually fix. It shows I only should show the difference, the point difference, so it should be 10, not 70, which is the total on the level. So that's one of the change what I want to add relative to the last time. And now I had a double points multiplier with some sound effect. Yes, so I will change that one so it actually shows the difference, the extra points what I got, not the total points on the level. And I have triple bonus. I have to make something as well. They are floating up at the same time. And sometimes you can't see one from the another. And I will have one at the end. 20.
Oh.
Ah. Okay, I lost my multiplier, but I should still get my point. Or because I'm finishing the level. Ah. I have one. That's a bug. We found a bug. Haha. Okay, so if I die at winning time, then the game's stuck. Because it's tried to go to the next level. But I know why. Because I only check for winning when you go to the end of the round. But I do not check for winning in case winning means you finish the 10 attempt when you fall down. So if I fall down in the moment when you would have won, then the game is actually try to go for the next round, which will fail in a way of all platforms will drop. So we found the one bug. Very good. Productive. Okay, so first, what I have to do is go to the store state, and then when I send the on score change, I need two values here. I need level total and the delta. Okay, level score and the delta score. So I will change this to have both of them, which means I now broke a lot of things. Whatever using the on score change, which is just a couple of places. So it will be not hard to fix. So underscore changed. Except one int, but it's need to able to handle both. It still doesn't matter. It's using only the score because this one. Oh, this is the feedback controller. Okay, on the feedback controller, actually, that's the place where I need the data score. That's the only place. Everywhere else, I will need the score as before. Okay, so that one is fine. This one. Do I even use this update score? Okay. So it receives both, but only using one. And then this is the place where we are sending this. This is where I resetting. When the game starts, I reset these values. So both of them is technically 0. This is where I add the score, which is easy to calculate because that should be technically active multiplier by score round score value. And the active multiplier, by this time, yeah, we're not changing that here. So that should be fine then. And then score dot round score value. Okay. And then I think I have to do the same thing here. Because if I add the level score, then I have to do the same with the level score because that's a round score and this is the level. Every level you get different amount of score when you finish than just for a round to finish. And then when we reset, then it's 0. That will be not visible. It will, the map, the menu will be on top. So even if that pops up, it pops up behind. Okay, so with that one, I think I finished that and this one. So, yeah, I have two kind of score now. And if they now play, I should see the right one. Okay, let me run it. Yes, so I go in there. And now I should only just get the difference on the point. So I don't know how many multipliers. I have one multiplier, so it should be just 10. And then 10. That's correct. Now when I get the next one, this should go into 20. But this should stay 10. Oh, and I should not go down. Ooh, that was close. Yes, I got 10 and then went up to 20. I want to animate that on this one. 6. 20 and double bonus I got. And the points went up to 40. I could have give unique sounds for each of the level. Maybe. Yeah, I could do that. I have to look for sound and stuff. Triple bonus we reached because we have 5. Yes, that's correct. And we also have a total score. And I'm strongly thinking of changing these points to actually gold or something. So you can use that to buy something later. We will get one more band of bonus when we reach 9. If I not fall down. Quadruple bonus. I may rename these. 20. Okay. I don't think next level works. Wow. We get... Oh yes, we got 400 because we went to the one state. Did this go to the next? I'm curious if this worked. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Because next button should go to the random one. Maybe I should actually do like a different color scheme for the random levels. Oh, I actually will, because the gate will be different. This screen will be different. Yeah, no, we are playing the same. I don't think this is a random game at the moment. Because that's the next level. First we do in order and then we do it in random. But at least I can test now. If I get to 15, which is 2 more, then I should get the 5 times multiplier. I never reached that before. One more and I should get the 5 times multiplier. Yes, 5 times bonus. Okay, cool. I will stop now. Good time to quit. So I will go to the score manager and the score, and I maybe rename this. The double bonus is fine, but I think it will be, I just say 4 time bonus and 5x bonus and 6x bonus. Yes. Okay, I can add more later if I want. But I'm so far happy with it. And then I wanted us to add some effects for receiving points. And on this one, I have the floating text appears. I play the coin kind of sound at the moment, lack of order. And I also want to do something on the UI. I could scale it and I change the text color. So yes, I need a target text, which should be on the player. I have a score text. Oh, okay. That's Maya Text Mesh Pro. Which, yeah, I cannot use this one, but probably there is another one for Text Mesh Pro. So let's check that again. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, there is a Text Mesh Pro. So I can change the font size. I can, text reveal. That's a nice one. I'm wondering if something like that can happen with the floating one. Okay, so dilate. Okay, let's try that one. Just visually check what happens. So if I go, I will turn off the. No, this will be okay. But if I go into the game, then I can test it. I think that's the easiest. Okay, I go to the easy level. So now, oh wait, You know what? I will fall down once.
Oh.
So I can now just click play. So that would happen with the number when the score changing. Okay, I am happy with that. Can we add one more? So Text Mesh Pro also count 2. What is count 2? That's interesting. Okay, I want to check that because I actually wanted to build one when the numbers are going up. I'm not sure this is that, but it's me the right thing what I want. So I will just check in a moment the fill. So if you're wondering what I'm looking at, I'm using this asset, the fill asset, and it has a lot of really cool tools and effects. Fill. Okay, can I search here? Okay, that's the wrong one. Okay, moment. What was the name of this? It was count 2. This feedback will let you update the temp text value over time, with the value going from A to B over time on the curve. Okay, that's interesting. But that may need some coding from me, because I can count from 0 to 10. But I want to be able to manage that number. Okay, I actually can do that. Okay, let me... I need to put this in a separate event. I think. But I'm really curious how does that look like? I did not place in any. So if I place this in and I say that 0 to 10, please go. Okay, and the format is... Okay, if the format is 0... okay, this is a bit more trickier. Floor values. Okay. Can I go to 100? Oh, it goes up and down. I need to actually, this goes up. And let's say it's just 2 seconds. Okay. So I could use this if I send the count from and the count to properly. I could make that number while it's making its thing is also counting up to the next value. I actually wanted to code this, and I don't need to. So I'm kind of happy about that. I still need to use the asset from my feedback controller, but that should be fine. Okay, I may have to put this back. Yes, I have to add it again. So Text Mesh Pro, it was count 2. I had a tick, what I forgot to tick, which is tells floor values animation to upward and 2 seconds. And then count from to 2. And then set up the score text. Okay, and now I have to grab this element, and then every time when I have new score, then I have to set up the right value. So I have to do the count from is the current value, and the count and the delta is the difference. But I think I have to do a minus because I'm getting the total, the current total, and the change. Okay, so how is this code? Count settings, TMP count 2. Okay. I'm just looking for the name, but I'm not exactly sure, but I think it's underscore count 2 will be. Okay, so if I go to the feedback controller, I need to grab this element. I don't need that one. I'm not using that anymore. And I need another one, which is the count 2 text. And it's not a floating text. It's I have to find it. There is a lot of them. This episode become a really much on how to use feel. But I'm really happy I found that. I didn't actually know it has a count too, which using the text TMP count too. Okay, so I need to grab that one. At start time. Okay, and this is only if on score because I don't need it any other time. That's the only and only way or reason or way or anything when I actually need this. So if this is the score type feedback, then get me the one and only count to text by type. And if I have my count to text, then I can manipulate this to do for my bidding. So score changed. That's where we want to do. If score changed larger than 0 means it was growing. And we set the delta score before we play. We also want to set the, I think it was count 2. And okay, wait, I have to see the two values. So count from and count to. So the count to is easy because that delta score. And then probably I don't need to, no, I need the floating text. That's a different one. That's what pops up over the head. I need to actually position that better and resize and stuff like that. But I need the, no, I need the score because that's the full score. So we want to count to the score. Okay. And we want to count from the score, because that's the current total score, minus delta score. Delta score. Yes. Oh, that will be cool if that works how I imagined. I actually have to position things a little bit better because it's overlays on the screen sometimes. And it's not that well visible, but I didn't do any design on it. I may do something on the top of the screen. I still have that bug. I will check that later. Okay, now if I get points, then this should be... Yes, I think I have a multiplier at the moment. That's the reason I get 40 points. Let me see. Score manager. Yes, I have 40 points. So that's so nice. I love that. I will get a bigger multiplier soon. Oh, we already have 4 times 1, so the 5 times 1 comes. Yes, this one is in front of the screen, what I don't like. I have to actually change maybe the camera position. Yes. I love that. I really thought I have to code that. I was thinking today how I would do that. With coroutines, of course. Yeah. So if I exit level and I go to another one. Yeah, some of these are misaligned here. Should still have my bonus. And I have to make sure when you finish the level and you have 3 hearts on it, then you cannot do it again, or will not get any more bonus.
Oh.
I lost my bonus now. And if I go back, now it should just go 10 up. I wanted to see that as well. 16. I did not pay attention if that was correct or not. Okay. Cool. I have to position this camera better. This one is fine, like that. It should be in the middle. I'm fine there. I should get a bonus now. I like how the double bonus is really quick. Oh, I was on 28. Why I moved? Okay. Yes, so I like it. It works. If I lose my last life now, then it goes, and if I lose, I'm not getting this point. These points get lost.
Oh.
So maybe that's the last bit. I think it's get lost. Well, looks like not. No points get lost. Any points what you did, you get and keep. Yeah, no losing points. But the only problem, I think, you not get it saved if it's lost. So let me double check that. If I save the points when score. Okay, let's use the score state action. Yeah, in the manager, that's what I was looking for. So when I save it, at the moment I think I only save points. Yeah, here. Reset streak. Why I call this reset? It's not really makes sense. Update. Oh, I think I know. I used to have 2. I used to have a grow and a reset, but then I handled the whole thing here. I want to call this update. I'm sorry. Reset is not making sense. The another 2 is update. I don't know why I called that reset. I think it was just something what I wanted to do, and then I changed my mind about. Okay, so okay, I need to look for save. So when we save? So we both if we win or lose, we save the score, but only in the end, and that's the only point. Okay, good. So let me check if I could do something else with the text. The score text. So is there anything effect what I want to add there? I'm not sure what dilate. Oh no, the dilate I know. Color, character spacing. outline color. Oh, I actually want to set the outline color. I want to see that. Okay, so it will be just blink up the outline on it. And also I probably don't want this to be green. Let me pick back to that purple what I originally wanted. And the best, I see color gradient, override tags, spacing, alignment. I wanted it to center. Extra settings. I'm not aware if there was an outline on this. Yeah, all right. Because I would like to add outline because I'm usually have outline around text. Except if it's inside of a menu. So this would be the other thing to do. Okay. So now it should have an outline when I get some score. Okay. I did not see any outline there. Let me see it again. I don't think there was any.
Oh.
Ah. Yeah, should not fall down. Okay, I did not see anything happening. Oh, wait, I go in there. I can actually drive it from here. So if I go in the any game and I not click the start, I can instant, gradient, or interpolate. It feels like the dilate is... I want to add the delay on this if it is possible. Target. Duration. The curve. Normally I cannot some kind of delay. Timing. And the initial delay 1 second. Okay. So now if I play this, okay. It's maybe better if how it was originally. It first dilated and then started to spin upward. Also, the spinning upward maybe I could do quicker. So I don't want a second there because it didn't feel like the right, like it's connected. And then the count 2, let's take it down to 1 second. And then let me play that. Okay. That didn't do anything, so let me try a different color. Maybe not white is the solution. I don't see anything around it. Oh, outline color, display color. I don't know. I try another ridiculous color and then oh no, that's just the title. I'm just changing the title. Okay. No, this is the one, but I don't see if I had the darker blue. And I play this. I don't see outline. Instant. Yeah. It's maybe the one or the another one is actually messing with it. Or maybe I actually have to set up an outline and only then it will be visible. It's changing the outline, but my outline is 0 size or something. So I have to check this. Outline. Where is this outline options? Because I don't see it on the score. If there would be outline, I would love to have outline. Main settings, textile, material preset. Ah, that's the one. Okay, so I want to have white. No, I want to keep it purple. The same purple than that. But I want to control the outlines color and size. Auto size options, color. Ah, this is the one. So this is the outline. That's the thickness, and then the color. The color I want white actually originally, because that's very nicely separates it from the background. I even wouldn't mind if it would have a 3D effect on it, but I can't do that much. Oh, there is something called underlay on that. I'm not exactly sure. I not use that often. Ah, this is the dilating. It's here. Okay, I don't think I need underlay. That's more is like a shadow kind of thing. Okay, now I do want to save this. And I'm in round mode, so I will lose it. Oh wait, at least I can save the what I made changes here. Oh yeah, let's test this. So when I play it, okay, it's still not happening. The outline color, I don't see that is to be changed. And I want to change it to, let's say it goes black for now. And then if I play that, it just goes black and stays black. Then oh, I like that effect. But I want the curve to be the another way around. So and maybe the color could be something else. Let me just see. So goes up, then go dark, and then come back. What if we just go halfway there? Yeah, the blue is not good again because it's kind of goes into the back, kind of disappears in the back. I feel it's like a hint of that green left. Okay, I did not save that earlier. Starts as white, goes darker, and then kind of pulsing back in. I want... Okay, let me see this. I think I may prefer that kind of style. How is it spins up? Yeah, that's better. But also I want the dilate to be a little bit later. Let me see if it just does this. I'm not even sure the dilate I need. Or maybe the dilate need to be longer. What if that 1 second long? Wrong button. Yes, probably. But no, I think I want 0.8. And also it was a bit earlier. And maybe tone it down a little bit. Let's do 0.7 and minus 0.7. And then let's see. Yeah. Because it's still visible, the number. Like they are numbers. It was become too small. It started to distort the cutouts started to be so small. It was started to distort the number. But I do like that one. And I like how in the end it gets back the whiteness around it. Okay. Can I keep... I hope I will have the changes. And also I have to go back to the score. And I'm... Oh no, okay, that's fine because... No, it's not exist. And I'm not sure of the size I did. But something. I have to check the size. I don't know what size I did originally. Yeah, that's way too big. Oh, that's... I love that, but smaller. That's almost fits with the... I actually have to do that differently. No? I want it kind of works with the hearts size-wise. So I actually have to tone it down a little bit. If I move that over there, I want it to be similar size. So you understand what I mean. So it could be a little bit larger. Like that. Yes. Okay, so 115. And then outline is about 2.5. So 115. Or 0.25, not 2.5. And I'm not sure of the dilate. I have different thickness on here and on the top. Have to be careful with this. See here, it's very subtle, while here it's quite strong. But this is smaller and it had to be more visible. Okay. I think that's better. Let me see in action. Okay, that's way too small. Let me... I can blur it. Okay, so 0.25 is too much. Why is that become a lot smaller than previously? Let me just check something. So if I move this next to the heart.
Oh.
So I can't see. And then I can see the how does that look like. So now it feels too small. Let's try 125. Yeah, one. And now if I dilate. Okay, dilate is not the solution. It just makes it thicker. 0.1 or just 0. Okay, let's keep that 0. Let's set that up. But the outline, I would be happy if that outline actually goes outside on it, but it tends to go in the inside. Okay, so let me just check again. 0.25, because that was the previous one. But maybe I need to change the size. No, the outline will not matter on that. I'm happy kind of with that feeling. So 125 and 125. Okay. So if I go in there, 125, and then the outline is 125. Okay, I think that will be fine. Yeah, that's a lot, even smaller, but a lot more visible. See, it's even visible when I'm there. It's just I have to move this camera up here. Yes, I also want to put outline on that one. On the floating text.
Oh.
Okay. Can I do something about the floating text? I have a spanner for that. Because now it's looked really, really I think it's in the prefabs then. Prefabs, I have the score font. Yes. Which so I can add the outline to it. And then make the outline white. And set it to 0.1. Let's try that. This is a... probably I need to make it... it's visible here. That's kind of fine. It looks fine. Because it's a lot smaller than the other one. Somewhere there. So that's 0.2, let's say. Okay. And now, if I did this, then I think the bonus using the same font. Yes, so both the bonus and that one should work then. Shall I get something more challenging? 5 times stable is not challenging. Okay, a moment. Let me pull this camera back. Okay, we are on the screen camera. No, it's the fixed camera. And okay, I wanted to. Can I rotate this? What if I just lift? Let me see. So if I just lift it, that's already better. And then if I lift up to 9, yeah. So it was 9, maybe 9.5. Yeah, 9.5. Okay, wait. I have to also go on the right platforms. 9.5. Double bonus. Okay, what? Okay, I like the one what goes up. This one, I feel like it's need bigger outline. Not, it's too thin. I like it when it dilates out. It looks correct, but not when it's not dilated. Now looks good. In between, like in the middle of that. So I think I have to add the basic dilation to it. 35. Where is 35? I reached it. I don't see the beginning of the board. I lifted up. I have to move this camera more back as well. Okay, a moment. I will stop it when it zooms out. Okay, so I also need to move it slightly more back. Maybe 32. No. 30.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't pay attention. 33. Yeah, but then this one goes in. You see, it's harder to set this up than I thought, that camera. Okay. Definitely. Oh, I know. Actually, the focal length, if I change the focal length, that probably helps more. Okay, I need to see that camera in action. So let me go to virtual camera. Let's make this important. Okay, and now that's the reason I can't really see the UI like this. So I turn back the UI, but I will turn off the map. Okay, now I can see. So if I go back now to the camera, then I can. I think I will go down with the focal length to no, I go up to 75, 80, maybe 78, and then move it a bit upper. Okay, I can go 76 and lift slightly upper. Yes, that's the position where I want it. Okay. Of course, my UI is not there. I turned off the map. Yes. Now it's never really cut into the other bit. So that's excellent. I almost fall. Okay, then one more thing I change. That's the last on this. I want to make this as actually so that would be maybe even I can go to 0.2 and then 0.2 and then 102. Okay. 10. Yeah, okay. 0.2 and then 0. Yes, but I also have to go here and make sure when I dilate. Oh no, okay, it's just do the difference. Allow additive plays. So it's relative to the 0.2, I hope. That's what that means. All right, it's possible now you hear some noise. Sorry about that. Some device started behind me with what I forgot to turn off. I will actually do something about it in a second. But yes, I think I'm very happy with the numbers now. So actually then, I think this is the end of the session for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.